They're the first voices we heard when we woke up and the last ones we heard before going to bed. These media voices were iconic in our lives, but how many of them can you identify? Let's take a watch in this new Janfit video. So there you have it, a host of media personalities from Jamaica, but were you able to identify them all? Let me know in the comment section. Remember to like this video, share if you can, and of course subscribe to our channel Jamfit, spreading the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.